In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Samsung Keyboard 30500. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This keyboard doesn't have a conventional reset button, so even if you look at the back, the front, and so on, there is not a single button or a combination of buttons that allows you to reset it altogether. However, there is a method that people use to reset it properly. So after you turn the keyboard on, so make sure that it has batteries and it is powered on through the switch at the side, what you can do is long press on the Bluetooth icon on the keyboard. This can either be F7, F8, or F9. I recommend using F7 to ensure that this method works. So press down on F7 and hold it down. Hold it down for a while. This should try to connect it, and if you had a previous connection established, it will try to automatically connect itself and give you a prompt code. Alternatively, just keep holding it down and it is going to reset it by itself. So as long as you press down on the Bluetooth icon on the keyboard, it will automatically connect, prompt a passcode, type the passcode with the keyboard, click enter, and it should now be usable. So if you are having trouble switching between devices, or if it stopped work suddenly, doing this method of pressing down on the Bluetooth button for a long while and then entering the passcode and pressing enter should allow you to essentially reset the Bluetooth connection. If it is still not working, you can try taking the batteries out and then inserting them again into the keyboard, but I believe this should be the proper way to resolve any sort of temporary glitches referring to Bluetooth connections. So after that is done, you just press down on the button again and the keyboard should appear on the list of any device with Bluetooth capabilities. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.